step 23, attaching the roll cage. Well, you can see that once we put the roll cage onto the chassis, there are 2 screws that are going to attach to the rear gearbox, and that's going to be on both sides. So there's 4 screws there. And then we have 2 of these MC6 screws that are going to screw into the front top of the chassis. So that is essentially all we're doing in this step. So you can see I've got my 4 MA4 screws, the 2 of the MC6. So we just need to screw this onto the chassis. So we'll go ahead and do that. So in order to get the roll bar on, we need to get the back end over the fake resistor plate. And then it's going to be basically pull it over top of on the back end. So it kind of just pulls around. And then everything will fit nicely. And these 2 are going to go into the rear gearbox. So let's grab the bigger screws, which were the MA4s, and we're going to put them in first. So let's get this one into place. Then we get this one, and we'll put that one into place. Now, I'm not going to screw that in all the way yet, because let's make sure that this goes in okay as well. And that one's going in. And then that one's going in as well. And they seem to feel fine. So I'm going to tighten these ones up. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Turn that around. And same again. And they're in nice and tight, but I'm not over tightening them, but they're in okay. So then we're just left with the 2 at the top, which are going to help hold the front end in. Let's do it this way. There we go. Just check the other side. Yep. Perfect. So there we go. There is the roll cage on now, which looks really cool. And the driver looks pretty cool sitting behind the netting as well. So that's awesome. So we've got our roll cage on. So that is the end of step 23. So now we're going to move on to step 24, and we're going to start building the rear dampers.